Welcome. In front of me I have a security camera from EUFY. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I could be completely wrong. Some dual camera 360. So anyway, let's just go into it. Now the name of it is the EUFY S350. So I'll just pop it open. There we go. So right here we got some basic information. So we have 4K crisp, detailed at a distance. That apparently that's a sentence. Okay. Smart 8x zoom, cleared night vision, 4K wide-angle lens, 130-degree field of view, and 2K telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Then we have a human and pet AI, so I assume it's just like tracking. It is a 360, so. And we have some privacy mode. And anything else interesting around here? So we have 24/7 live viewing and recording history. Advanced AI human and pet detection, privacy mode, instant notifications. I love the asterisks and two of them next to it. Push notification with thumbnails previews requires preview image to be temporarily stored in the cloud. Okay, so it is going to store some photos maybe in the cloud, assuming you allow it based on this information. We have activity zone, reduce false notifications, and two-way audio. So there we go. That's basically every kind of information about this. One last thing that I wanted to kind of mention is that there is no monthly fee for this. So what you get is basically what you get. As long as you have internet connection, as far as I can tell, this should work. Now, popping it open, here is the camera. Come on. Let's start with the instructions. So it's a bit of a chunky instruction right here. Here's the camera. It is a little bit more front heavy, but it seems to be standing all right. Then we get the cable. You know what? I'm just gonna look at it. So this is a Type-C. So I don't need to take out the cable. And we do have mounting points right here. So we can mount it to the wall and just kind of like obviously a surveillance camera in your house. And then we got something that phones nowadays don't include, which is a charger for it. Now, even though this is a typical USB-A charger, obviously it's nice that it comes included, as this is probably going to be plugged in 24/7. So now, as far as I can tell, this has no built-in battery, so obviously if you don't have any kind of electricity in your house, camera will not be recording or monitoring. And here is the little puck for mounting it to the walls or any kind of surfaces. So you just put in 2 screws and then just attach it like so. So, easy. There we go. Now, also, is that for a... So it looks like it has a cable routing. You can route obviously the cable through here or here. Kind of like weird in a way. And trying to see through this. Okay, I think it's supposed to go like this. So I was kind of doing it the upside down way. But in any case, there we go. That's basically everything that is in the box outside of just this and this is paper, so not worth mentioning. So yeah. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.